If you're thinking about buying a home, chances are you've got mortgage rates on your mind. You've heard about how they impact how much you can afford in your monthly mortgage payment, and you want to make sure that you're factoring that in as you plan your move. The problem is, with all the headlines in the news about rates lately, it can be a bit overwhelming to sort through. But here's a quick rundown of what you really need to know so that you can go ahead and be comfortable as you start planning your next move. Hey, welcome home, Hiljin Homes, where you'll find real estate information that no one else is sharing with you. Now, if you have any questions about the market, you're thinking about buying your very first home in 2024, absolutely shoot me a direct message. I'll be happy to assist in any way. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and get right back into the video. All right, so the latest on mortgage rates. Rates have been very volatile this year. That means they're bouncing around a bit, and you may be wondering why. The answer is very complicated because rates are affected by so many factors. Things like what's happening in the broader economy and the job market, the current inflation rate, decisions made by the Federal Reserve, and a whole lot more have an impact on how mortgage rates are. Lately, all of those factors have come into play, and it's caused the volatility we've seen in today's market. As Odette Cushy, Deputy Chief Economist at First American explains, ongoing inflation deceleration, a slowing economy, and even geopolitical uncertainty can contribute to lower mortgage rates. On the other hand, data that signals upside risk to inflation may result in higher rates. Now, how do we make sense of this all? Well, truthfully, professionals can help make everything a little bit more easier to understand. While you could drill down into each of those things to really understand how they impact mortgage rates, that would be a lot of work. And when you're already busy planning a move, taking on that much reading and research may feel a little overwhelming. Instead of spending time on that, lean on the pros. Professionals coach people through the market conditions all the time. They'll focus on giving you a quick summary of any broader trends up or down, what experts say lie ahead, and how all of that impacts you and your next move. Take this chart as an example. It gives you an idea of how mortgage rates impact your monthly payment when you purchase a home. Imagine being able to make a payment between $2,500 and $2,600 that works for your budget. The green part in the chart shows payments in that range or lower based on varying mortgage rates. So as you can see, even a small shift in rates can impact the loan amount you can afford if you want to stay within that target budget. It's tools and visuals like these that take everything that's happening and show what it actually means for you. And only a professional has the knowledge and expertise needed to guide you through all of these little things. You do not need to be an expert on real estate or mortgage rates. You just need to have someone who is by your side. Now, if you have any questions and you are kind of a little iffy about what the mortgage rates are looking like and you would like to have a free 20-minute consultation with me, shoot me a direct message. I'd be happy to schedule that with you, and I would love to assist again in any way possible. All right. Thank you so much for spending time with me and watching this video. If you made it to the very end, please do me a favor, if you like anything that has to do with real estate, you're looking to buy your very first home, your first-time home buyer, millennial first-time home buyer, shoot me a direct message or even subscribe, because I'll be putting out a lot of this kind of content to help ease your home buying experience. With that said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.